Passage English 60. Dear Sirs, para. We confirm the following telegram sent to you just now. Delivery will be made tomorrow. Para. We are really sorry for the delay. We have 1 hour at most to expedite delivery, but the pursuit of orders for good blankets from our own state has made it difficult for us to deliver as promptly as we wish, and this is so even when our mills are working day and night. Para. As a result of the sudden change of weather, we know you require the goods at once. We have, in order to show you that we are anxious not to cause you inconvenience, put aside other orders which in fact should have been executed before yours. Para. Our customers are pressing on all sides for immediate delivery and the demand is heavy. We are not the only manufacturers of blankets whose resources are overtaxed. At present, we are confident that this explanation will convince you of our endeavors to meet your wishes, and because until this recent rush we have never failed to execute your orders within the stipulated time. We rely upon your leniency in the present case. We need hardly mention that your orders will always receive our most careful and prompt attention. We request you to remit the amounts due up to date by a draft on the Reserve Bank of India, Madras, at your earliest convenience. Yours truly, Binny Mills, Overstock.